Welcome, beloved child of Christ. This video teaches investing backed by biblical principles. This conversation is not about getting rich quick so you can buy a bigger boat or a fancier car. This is about something far more important and eternal. It's about stewardship. God owns everything, including the money that passes through your hands. You are not an owner, you are a manager. The Bible is incredibly clear about money, with numerous verses having godly wisdom breathed into them. It's not because God is obsessed with wealth, but because He knows how much our hearts are tied to it. He wants us to be wise managers of His resources for His glory, for the good of our families, for the blessing of others. It's about being faithful with what you have been given, whether it's a little or a lot. The core purpose here is to connect your faith directly to your financial practices. We are going to build a simple, clear, and actionable plan that honors God, not risky schemes. We will handle money in ways that reduce stress, build security, and increase generosity. Being a good steward means you are in control of your money, so it doesn't end up controlling you. This positions you to serve God with your whole life, free from financial worry and debt. We'll anchor ourselves in Proverbs 13:11 and the parable of the talents. Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it. Jesus calls us to grow what we're given and warns against doing nothing with it. Understanding these truths transforms both heart and habits. Every dollar becomes an opportunity for faithful management. Let's begin together. Section 2, the wisdom of Proverbs. Gathering wealth little by little. Proverbs 13:11 cuts through the noise, slow and steady wins. Culture glorifies overnight success, but Scripture warns haste and greed collapse like houses on sand. Disciplined investing is consistency, small, regular contributions that compound over time. Plant a tree, don't try to reforest overnight. Set aside a percentage of each paycheck. Faithful, repeatable, automated. Impatience drives people to big risks and fads. Wisdom builds one brick at a time. It's not flashy, but it's strong and dependable. Reject get rich quick. Start automated savings, $25, $50, or $100. Starting matters most. Patient accumulation is both a financial strategy and an act of faith. Before investing, build a foundation. Like the wise builder whose house stood in storms. The storms will come. First block, a starter emergency fund. $1,000, fast. This isn't investing, it's insurance. A buffer between you and life. Use the fund, then refill it. Avoid derailing your plan with debt. Next, tackle high-interest debt with intensity. List smallest to largest. Minimums on all. Throw extra at the smallest. Roll wins forward. Quick wins build momentum to the finish. Then build a full emergency fund of 3 to 6 months. This is the fortress that protects your financial house. First buffer, then stop debt bleeding, then the fortress. Don't build on sand. Build on the solid foundation of Jesus Christ. Now that we've laid the foundation, turn to the parable of the talents in Matthew 25. The servants with 5 and 2 invested, took calculated risk, and doubled the money. The third hid his talent. No loss, but no growth. The master praised fruitful stewardship and condemned fearful inaction. In a world of inflation, idle money goes backward. Faithful stewardship involves learning, planning, and acting, not gambling, not passivity. Using modern tools wisely is a spiritual responsibility. Grow resources to provide, to give generously, and to leave a legacy. All right, you have the starter fund and you're attacking debt. Open an investment account through your employer-sponsored brokerage, such as Fidelity, or use personal platforms like M1 or Robinhood. If there's an employer match, capture every dollar of it. Automate contributions on payday. Pay yourself first. Start with a manageable amount. Consistency beats size. Avoid picking individual stocks. Choose broad, low-cost index funds or ETFs. Diversification spreads risk and smooths the ride. Index funds are already diversified and recalculate their specific stock allocations automatically as markets change. Focus on broad markets such as an entire country or the global market to further diversify. Use vetted low-cost vendors such as Vanguard and their VTWSX Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund Investor Shares Fund. Adopt a long-term mindset. Markets rise and fall, hold your course. Automatic buys turn downturns into opportunity. Ignore daily noise, trust the process. Markets fluctuate, but over the multi-year long term, have an upward momentum. You don't need a fancy advisor, just a reputable, low-cost platform. Brokerages let you buy mutual funds and ETFs simply. Robo-advisors build diversified portfolios, rebalance automatically, and cost around 0.25%. Keep fees low, high fees eat returns. Look for strong security and clear support. Today, spend 20 minutes comparing two reputable platforms. Demystify the tools. You've started the journey of faithful stewardship. Now stay the course. This is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be soaring years and falling years. In all seasons, be faithful to be fruitful. Consistency and patience. Keep planting, keep watering, trust God for the harvest. Wealth is a tool, not a trophy. The goal is not bigger barns, but bigger impact. Make giving your first line, not an afterthought. As income grows, increase giving. This keeps your heart right and anchors your plan in God's purposes. Review your allocations once or twice a year or monthly at most. Not daily doom scrolling. Every time you sell, you will have to face capital gains taxes, confirm automatic contributions. If you get a raise or defeat a debt, invest more. Simple accountability keeps you intentional. You're not alone on this path of wisdom. Build on the rock of an emergency fund and a debt-free life. Gather little by little. Put resources to work as in the talents. Be patient, be consistent, be faithful. The peace from managing God's money God's way is a treasure no market can take. If this helped, please like, share, subscribe. Please note that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own research. References: World English Bible Updated, WEBU, ebible.org. Selected passages used in summary: Matthew 7:24-27, Matthew 25:14-30, Proverbs 13:11, Luke 12:16-21, 2 Corinthians 9:7.